Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ayanabrianne. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. We just got to Fort Lauderdale and we are waiting for the rental car. Trey did so good on the flight, so good. He was asleep the whole time, which y'all already seen. He was asleep. He's watching his show. He's watching his show right now.
The fall?
He's literally just chilling.
The fall? The book? What? Your pants? Oh, yeah.
He's teasing her, y'all. Look, she wants her shoe. She wants her shoe and he's teasing her, asking her all these questions. But we're just waiting on the rental car. We're just sitting here chilling. We got so much stuff. I don't know how people travel with multiple kids. Let's just say that, because we got 2 car seats, 2 strollers. Like, I don't understand that. I don't understand it. My suitcase was 65 pounds. So, like, I don't understand. I don't understand how I'm gonna travel with more than 1 kid. I want 5 kids. We're never going on vacation. And this baby's throwing a fit. What? I wanted to check in with y'all, but I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. What in the world? Yo, we just got soaked. It's pouring. Like literally soaked. It's pouring. We went in Walmart and then came out and I'm about to show y'all. Let's see if I can get, look at the things. Look at this. What? It's literally pouring.
Look, you can really, like, on the windshield. That's crazy. It was literally sunny.
Literally.
Like,
yeah, y'all. All we wanted was some pina coladas.
right.
Now we're drenched.
We could have been in and out. Untouched. Oh.
Y'all, they got a mango tree in their backyard.
There's one mango right there.
She grows her own pineapples? I didn't know. It looks like they're just sitting up there. Like they're just sitting on there, like getting some sun. It don't look like it's actually growing from the plant.
I think she said like a gungo tree or something like that. You should get beans and stuff for rice.
What?
I forgot what that is. That's one of the mangoes right there.
Oh, she's doing mangoes?
This is a mango tree, so it's a natural mango tree.
What?
There's another one right here. And this is this is something that you it helps you sleep.
What is it called? Chamomile?
No, I can't.
No.
I gotta ask my aunt. I can't remember what it's called. It's
So
Patrick,
a little bit of Jamaica
this
around
Patrick,
here.
This Patrick, he's a real young man.
He is? He's a what? He's a what?
Get me off that camera.
Babe. Can't really see him. It's nice out here. Y'all, we got
lizard,
some.
Bruh. That lizard so damn big.
Where? Oh no. We got some pina colada. What is they? Slushies? There's major rum in this though. Lauren hooked us up. Y'all, we really got stuck in the rain. And then the sun comes up. The sun comes out 5 minutes later. 5 freaking minutes later. I had to change my clothes and everything. But we're just chilling. We'll probably go back. We'll probably go to our Airbnb once Trey wakes up. Trey's asleep with his Nana right now. So we're just chilling. Probably about to play some games. And yeah. Alright y'all, so we just got here and here's the room. It's a little personal space. Little eating area. Little kitchen area with a stove and a refrigerator. The nice little seating area. There's a bed. TV. Mirror. Here's the bathroom. Here's a little bathroom. And yeah. He's holding on for dear life. Hey y'all, good morning. We are at Walmart. We just needed to get a few things to like snack on in between, you know, in the middle of the day since I'm breastfeeding and stuff. I'd be hungry and I need to get some stuff. We're currently trying to get formula, but nobody's answering us. Nobody's came to help us. People walking past us that work here are not trying to answer us. So we got Trey. Say hi, Trey. Show Trey. 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 Come on, babe. You know what I forgot to get? What? Get what? That? What? Get that? Get the formula? Yeah, I forgot to get Cheez-Its. And that's it. We were so tired last night. We didn't do nothing. I was gonna go out with Lindell's cousins, but I was so tired. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to go to sleep. And Trey was not having it. He was not trying to go to sleep last night. So he was making everything. My eyes was literally rolling in the back of my head, and he's crying over there. Just crying. His show was on, but he didn't want to go to sleep. But he ended up going to sleep around, I don't know what time we went to sleep on Del, do you? I don't know what time we went to sleep, but yeah, he was trying to stay up. He was trying to hang out. Got to run a few more errands, and then we'll probably go back and just chill for a little bit. It's a little nice outside. I think I want to put Trey in the pool, so we'll see. Oh, we will see. My nail popped off. My nail popped off last night. I'm so mad. I just did them. It's whatever. I really just want to take them all off now, but I don't know. I might soak them all off. I don't even have no stuff to soak them off. So if they fall off, they fall off. That's just what it's gonna be. Look at that. Yeah, sure. I'm trying to get up. Oh, are you crying? What is that? Oh, look at that. Look at it. Oh, look at it. What's that? Look at what? Bubble? What? What you looking at? What? Yeah. Look. What? What is that? All these freaking lizards! You kicking? Kick. Kick. Put his shorts on, Wendell, and take that pamper off. he loves water. He ain't scared of it.
Splashes up.
He does it in the tub, that's what I'm saying. He'll splash, but he keeps going. Look, he's trying to put his mouth in there. He's trying to put his face in.
You can't drink this water, Trey.
Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he loves the pool. Look at him trying to climb off me. His pants is too big. It's so nice out here. It's 90 degrees. Woo! Woo! No, he's kicking his feet like he knows what he's doing. He's like literally kicking his feet. It's so funny. There's so many lizards out here. I'm scared. It's raining. And down. It's not raining, y'all. It's raining. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my camera away because it's starting to rain. What was that, Lindo? This is my left hand? I don't know.
All you gotta do is get close to it.
Hey y'all, let me take these off for a little bit. I just got out the shower, got Trey. I didn't get Trey dressed. He's actually not dressed. He's in there playing with water bottles. But I just got dressed. I just put this black dress on. Not feeling this bra that I have on. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna go. It probably will not. But yeah, I just got dressed and got Trey together, got his hair washed and all of that. We're currently trying to find somewhere to eat. Why isn't this focused? Yeah, we're currently trying to find somewhere to eat. dinner at, so I'm waiting for Lindell to tell me where we're going. I just did my hair, well, my edges. I washed my hair too because I fell in the pool. I didn't even vlog it, but I was on Lindell's neck and he had Trey in his arms and I'm like, no, I don't want to fall in. He's like, just do it, let's just do it. So I got up on his neck and you want Waffle House? Yeah. Okay. So I got up on his neck and it felt like I was falling, so I like literally just fell and tried to like make sure he stayed up because he had Trey in his hands, and I fell underwater. Why are you letting me go on your neck? It's your back. But no, because you're gonna make me fall off if I'm on your neck, and he's on you. I'm not getting on your neck. And no, I have to worry about him. No, you'll be alright. Hold on. No.
Just lean forward, dummy.
No, did I take him? No, But, so I washed my hair, and I don't even have any shampoo, but there was shampoo in there, so I just used it. And y'all know I don't use shampoo with like a lot of things, like alcohol and all that other stuff. I don't know what's in that shampoo, but I'm just gonna use it, whatever, I don't care. Since my hair is mostly protected. So, I washed my hair and did my edges, and all my nails are like popping off, and I feel like it's because it's my non-dominant hand. I didn't take my time with it. It was honestly late when I was doing my nails. I need to take my time when I'm doing this hand because this hand got all the nails. So I don't know what's going on. But yeah, y'all, we're about to go eat. What's he doing? I need to get him dressed. We're about to go eat. Should I bring him any snacks? Lindell? Should I bring him any snacks or he should be good? Huh? Should I bring him any snacks? He should be good. Okay. And y'all, I don't know why I wanted oatmeal cream pies. Don't even know if I like these anymore. But I got some because I need stuff to snack on and I wanted oatmeal cream pies. So let's see. Babe. Wait. Babe. Come take a bite. You want a bite? I mean, I know you don't want a bite. Can you take a bite? Oh, great. Please? Oh. Please, let's you tell me how to rate it from 1 to 10. Trey, leave him alone! Yeah, it's not bad. It's been a while since I haven't ate these since I was younger. I found oatmeal and one of these. What is it? Plastic contain. Look, I don't know. What is this called? I don't know, but I found it in one of these. Like you would like heavy whipping cream or something. I'm gonna use it in my oatmeal. Yeah. I got me some Uncrustables. We got a couple snacks and Lindell thinks I'm not gonna eat them before we leave, but I might. I am. I'm gonna eat everything. I got some body armors. These big ones, I usually get the pack of 8. This one is a pack of 6 maybe. Yeah, this is a pack of 6, but they're bigger. The pack of 8 was more expensive than the 6-pack and they're bigger. I don't know why, but I literally live off body armor. I think it's crazy that I'm eating like I'm pregnant. What's that about? I'm not pregnant, I just got off my period. Y'all know that. I'm not pregnant, but I'm just so hungry as of late. I don't know why. But y'all, I did my edges kind of decent. They alright. I think I need to touch them up. I feel like this one's like this and this one's not, so I'm probably gonna go fix them. But yeah, y'all, I'm in love with my locks. They're so wet right now. I'm in love with my locks that I did all on my own. I'm all about DIY. About to fix my edges, and then I'll check back in with y'all when we go out to eat. I don't even know where we're going. Lindell, where are we going? Oh, Waffle House. He did say that, and I know y'all heard that. That's my fault. Alright, well, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, good morning. We are about to go to Hollywood Beach. We had to stop and get swim diapers for Trey because he didn't have any. Last night we had him in the pool with no diaper at all. Thankfully he didn't poop in the pool. But yeah, he did good. He fell asleep in the pool. He had a good time. We had a movie night last night with all of Lindell's family, and it was nice. It was nice. We had movie, pizza, drinks, frozen drinks, and it was nice. It was a good time. So we're all about to go to Hollywood Beach now. It says it's gonna rain all day starting at 12, but I don't see any clouds. It looks kind of good outside. I don't know if y'all could see, but it don't look like gloomy or anything, so we should be all right. We actually met the owner of the Airbnb. We met him last night, and we sat out there and talked to him for like an hour. We were just chatting. He was just a nice spiritual person. Like he was great, and I learned a couple things from him, and you know, he just shared a lot that I have been thinking about and that I knew I needed to put into perspective. But we talked a lot about like manifestation, so manifesting things, and you know, like your mind, like the power of the mind. Like if you think you can't do something, you're probably not gonna do it. If you believe that you can, you will. Like, you know what I mean? So I just was thinking about, you know, like lately I've been thinking about like, okay, maybe I'm not doing enough, or maybe I'm not good enough to do this and that. Like with YouTube, with photography, I just beat myself up so much. And we talked about how I need to give myself grace. Like I need to give myself grace. I'm a first-time mother. I'm a full-time mother. I work. I do YouTube. I do photography. I just do a bunch of different things. I try to take care of myself. Trying to make sure I'm being the best girlfriend I could be in my relationship. Just different things. Like there's a bunch of different things, a bunch of different hats and things like that. So give myself grace, because I'm a new mother overall and I have a lot going on, you know? So I don't know. He just put a lot of things into perspective, and just like the people that you hang around, that's a big thing. The people you hang around, like maybe it's time to cut that off. Like, you know, if they're not serving a purpose or helping you grow or on the same path and growth goals and have the same growth goals as you, or similar growth goals to you, if they don't have the same growth goals and things as you, then maybe it's time to, you know, part ways. Like, yeah, it's like you don't want to. Those been, you know, you've been close with family, friends, and just different people for your whole life, and you don't want to cut them off. But like, honestly, negative energy rubs off. Negative energy rubs off. Like, I can't stress that enough. And I've noticed that, like, when I literally separate myself from things, life is so much easier and so much better. When I make time for people with negative energy, or feed into the negative energy, I start thinking negative, or or trouble finds me, you know what I mean? So I did a great job of just disconnecting myself. I was focused on YouTube, focused on getting ready to bring Trey into this world, and I was stress free. My pregnancy was stress free. I wasn't mad at Lindell. I wasn't mad at anyone. I was just minding my business, having fun with photo shoots, and just doing my own thing my whole pregnancy. And I was just so happy, so healthy, so my pregnancy was literally the best. That's why right now I want more kids, because I enjoyed that experience. Lindell asked me the other day, did I enjoy my pregnancy, or did I miss being pregnant? That's what he asked. Did I miss being pregnant? And I said, yeah, I sure do. I sure do. I do miss being pregnant, because it was a great experience. So I don't know. He really did touch me with what we were, you know, discussing and things. And I needed that, because, you know, I get in my own way sometimes. I let others get in my way, not necessarily with my goals, but like, just like I said, hanging around people or giving my energy to people who are just negative Nancy's all the time. Like, I don't have time for it. Like, I'm not a negative person. Like, I speak things into existence. Like, I can remember when I wanted to reach 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. I literally reached 1,000 subscribers maybe like 3 days before Christmas. So, like, you know, it happened. I'm manifesting things. I manifest that, and it happened, and I couldn't be more thankful for that. So that's what I need to start doing, writing my goals down, or, you know, putting them in my notes or something. I think it's better when you write them down on a piece of paper. That's what I did, and it really did. I really did reach that. I really did reach that goal before, when I said I was going to. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to chat with y'all and just share that with y'all, because I don't know if other people go through that, being in their own way, or getting discouraged about something they want to do, or, you know, just impatient. Like, when it doesn't work right then and there, we get impatient, and I think we just need to be patient. Everything's gonna work. God is in control. If it's meant for you, it will be for you. Like, that's why I believe so hard on this journey, my YouTube journey. I believe on it, because I believe in it. Before, YouTube didn't work, and now it's like, it's mine. It's mine. I'm doing all the things that I said I wanted to do. I'm doing all the things that I said I wanted to do. That's why I really believe that this journey is for me. YouTube is for me. It is my passion. Like, it literally is my passion. And not everybody understands, not everybody is gonna understand, but me, I know this is my passion, and I love what I do. It's a grind. It's a grind. Not everybody has the same grind as you. That's why not everybody does these type of things. Like, not everybody can be an entrepreneur. Not everybody can be a business owner. Not everybody. Some people are just meant to work a 9 to 5. Some people are meant to. There's something for everyone. That's what I'm trying to say. There's something for everyone. But I know that this YouTube journey is for me. I'm speaking for me. It's for me. It's for me. I know it's for me, and I'm gonna reach my goal with it. I'm gonna stay committed. I love sharing my life and everything that I do with all of you. I love sharing my son with all of you. I love sharing his growth with y'all. I just love it. I love it. I love interacting with all of you. I love the engagement that y'all give me, and I just love it. And I thank you guys for supporting me every day. Every single day, the feedback y'all give me, just the love and support. Like, I really do appreciate it. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching all my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for being family, because that's what I refer to you guys as, my family. Y'all are my family at the end of the day. Y'all are probably closer to me than some of my family, some of my friends. So I appreciate y'all, and thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you guys could take something away from it, because literally apply it. That's all y'all gotta do, is apply it. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to go to the beach, so I will see y'all when we get there.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let.
It does not look like it's in Cali. I'm telling you guys, we're not missing out. Do the rock away.
Now lean back.
But since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on.
Yeah, I know. It was way too hot.
He likes it.
Oh, so cute.
Waiting, just as I recall that ass is still amazing.
Hey, Dad. What are you doing, Lindo? Hi, babe. My Louis Vuitton?
Yeah. Yo, what?
Oh, shit.
No, bro.
Oh, that actually hurt my freaking nose.
Oh, that's why you shouldn't be looking at that camera all the time, bro. Give me the glasses. Put the glasses on me. I want to see. Why you didn't take no pictures of me? I just got a haircut, bro.
I just asked you. I can take them on here, but I just asked you.
I want the other camera.
Do you want me to go get it? You want me to go get it? Babe, do you want me to go get it?
Hold on. Yeah.
Wait! I'm trying to stay away from Trey because he's so distracted by me. He just wants me. But he's out here. Look at them. Look at Lindell harassing your son. Lindell, what did you do?
My hamstring, bro.
Everybody's smiling. Okay, perfect. And like okay, no. Thank you so much. Thank you, that's fine. Thank you so much.
I just like some cute pictures.
Today? What'd he say?
Linda, what? Look at my man, my man, my man. My man is so fine, right? Look at you, Florida boy.
I gotta pee, bro.
You got a little kid bladder?
Nah, bro, this just hit me though.
Yeah, we're walking to get food. We left our son.
Shut up, liver, you're fine.
Huh? Oh, shut up, liver. Linda, why are we walking this way? This is the end of the road. We should walk the other way. A gun, a shovel, an ally. You gonna get that when your daughter comes?
I want some offensive t-shirts.
Why?
Like I seen this website on TikTok.
Uh-huh.
That shit, one of the shirts I was gonna buy, it said lower teacher salaries.
Why? I flex and these sleeves fall off. If you don't like Trump, then you're probably, what? Then you probably won't like me. And I'm okay with that, whatever. I'm probably not gonna be able to come in with my ass cheeks out.
No, we're literally at
a beach. That must be love. This is churros and ice cream. That's wings. Yeah, you're tripping. What you said? Salad. I don't want a salad. Y'all, why was there no sun out? And then the second Lindell's mom and them came, the sun came out. We've been out on the beach for like an hour and 30 minutes. No sun. Then it came out, now it's out. So weird. So freaking weird. I just want something good to eat. Something very tasty. Something I can share with my baby. He's trying to escape them. He keeps crawling away. Isn't it? Literally, he likes to jump. Dang, Sandy. I'm about to be eating sand.
Is it good?
Try on Helen. I like it.
How much was it?
Well, our whole meal was $71. I think because of the drink. They don't have it broken down. I think it's because I think the drinks were like $20.
That's great.
That's like $1. It's what? He's like,
I'd rather get a chicken sandwich from Wendy's.
right! Literally, I could have went to Wendy's and got a fish, or McDonald's and got a fish sandwich.
But your man said whatever you want, so whatever you get.
No, I ain't gonna turn it down.
Right.
Hey y'all, Trey sleeps, so I'm being a little quiet, but I'm about to do my makeup because we're about to go out, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna just use this little mirror to try to do my makeup because Lindell's in the bathroom and it's so foggy in there, so I just came in here. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup without a big mirror. I'm gonna try to moisturize my face up. I got a little red on my nose. Literally, he's making so much noise, he's just gonna wake the baby up. But my nose got a little red. I got a little red situation going on here. I'm gonna put some of this on. It's makeup serum, and I think I'm gonna put some of this on too. This Charlotte's Tilbury magic cream. I'm just gonna lather this on my face because I make my face as moisturized as possible because I just came in from being out in the sun, so we don't want any issues with our skin not being moisturized. And I don't know how long this video is going to be because I have to change out my SD card because it's about to be full because I've been vlogging a lot. But I'm just flushing up under my eyes, just trying to get my face nice and moisturized. I love this stuff. I love this stuff so much. It makes my skin nice and just hydrated. And that's what we want, hydrated skin. Hydrated skin. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my makeup and come back on here once it's done because I'm not a makeup artist, so we're not gonna do a whole get ready with me makeup look. But we gotta pick an outfit too, so I'll be back once my makeup's done. But the skin is looking nice and moisturized. You don't like us?
You were always the baby.
Yeah. You don't like being around your women cousins?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay.
Shit like this.
Okay.
When we all start playing, that shit just reminds me like, I want all women to be.
This is my
my first time going out with.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet off third on busy. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the
Hey, Devin!
I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit.
I'm on these bitches like it's written in. We be jumping out the pan already handling it. The niggas from
You wanna take a picture? Let me take a picture. I don't want a picture. Oh, you don't want pictures?
No.
I just want to take some pictures. I just want to take some pictures.
No, please.
That was Jeffrey Dahmer said.
Huh?
Jeffrey Dahmer?
Get off, get off, get off.
I just want to take some pictures.
No, get off.
I just want to take some pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't gonna buy it.
What? Lindell, I thought you had to go pee.
Take a picture of me later, bro.
No. Why? Right. I'm gonna take it. Okay, come on. You're weird. Let's go. You're so weird.
You didn't.
What?
Take the whole picture.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm sorry. Come on. I'm gonna text your mom like, Lindell passed out. She would lose her mind. Lindell, where's the other piece?
I got it.
Come on, Lindell.
Bro, do I do this to you?
Okay.
Why are you in my face, cuz?
Okay. Yo, check the fit out. Check the fit out. We got the Balenciagas with the G stars.
I don't read this.
Oh, what is them?
Yeah.
What kind of jeans is them? G star, right?
Serenade.
Huh?
Serenade.
Serenade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Serenade.
Where's the chain from? Where's the chain?
Johnny Dang.
Johnny Dang. Okay.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody on next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fit up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show.
Alright, y'all, here's the outfit check real quick. We're about to leave. We're running late. But here's that outfit check. I have my Gucci slides. Look at Trey.
Yeah, look at me right now.
Look at him. The room's a mess. Ignore it. And Trey has blue jeans on with a black shirt. So we're about to leave.
This one I bet you will me, I know get time. That cover my face, God you big man wait on me, chop life. I want buy motor, I want build house. I still want to know. Give me them. What?
Hey y'all, it's been a day since I picked up my camera. Yesterday I just relaxed. Pause it. It's been a day since I picked up my camera because I was chilling yesterday. Me and Trey got in the pool and we just relaxed yesterday, and a bunch of family had left, so we just chilled with them for a little bit until they left, and then watched the game last night, the Miami Heat game last night. And yeah, Trey has not been with me all night, all day, because he's been with his Nana, so I haven't seen him, and I couldn't go see him because if he's seen me, I probably wouldn't be coming jet skiing. But we're about to go jet skiing. It looks really nice out here. I wish the sun was beaming, but we're losing daylight. We're losing daylight, so yeah, y'all. But we have Lindell here. Say hi, Lindell.
Hi, Lindell.
Say hi, Lindell.
Hi, Lindell.
Say hey, family. Hey, YouTube.
Say hey, family.
What? Lindell, just talk. Y'all see him? He just got done fishing. You tired? Lindell, why do you do that to them? You're so weird. He's so weird. He never wants to be on camera. He don't get it. Y'all haven't ate all day, and his dusty cousin left these Frito scoops in here. I don't even know why you eat these with no dip, but whatever.
I keep saying that, bro.
I need chip dip. I keep telling him I need chip dip. What is it called? It's not sour cream. I think it is like sour cream dip. But I need chip dip because these are just plain and just dry. But I'm hungry. I didn't even bring up my water in here. Whatever. But I'm gonna eat these because I'm hungry. But we're waiting on the jet ski, and then we're going jet skiing. We didn't even go jet skiing. We waited for about an hour and 30 minutes, and I guess the guy was backed up, so we didn't even go. So we're gonna try to go tomorrow, but we're about to go get food because we have not ate all day. So we're about to go get food and then pick up my baby. I miss my baby. So we're gonna go get Trey, and then we'll probably head back. But yeah, y'all, I really wanted to go ride, but it's supposed to rain all week. So hopefully it just rains for part of the day and not like the whole day like it did today. Because it only rained for like, how long did it rain? It only rained for like the first part of the morning, and then we were good. So hopefully it does that tomorrow. But yeah, y'all.
It's an actual oak. It's an actual oak. Why can't I see this? It's an actual. He had like gold, red. He had every color, bro.
Any beans? No beans. Cheese, side as well. A little bit. And cheese. And that's it.
Oh, he's gonna have a blast when he sees
Trey. 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 Hi.
That's how you are. You's walking over me. See that? No.
Hi, baby. What did you eat?
No.
Here, come on.
Oh, A&D.
Oh, baby, what you do? Hi, did you miss me? Did you miss mama? Did you miss mama? Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Right now.
Where is I? Got no music on here, bro. They had music on that big last time.
Yeah.
Where the music at?
Yeah, corn out today, so that's why I didn't know if it was
That's a bit.
What'd you say?
Yeah, I'm gonna just look like a bum, cuz.
Huh? Thank you.
Did you bring one at a